my newest project right here. As you can see, the stairs are coming off. If you get up there, you can see the nails pulled out. Let me go around the other side. You can clearly see it on this side. That's all pulled right away from the house. I realize that needs to be stained. That's on the list this year, but you can see how it's angled down and that whole corner's dropped. So I need to pick this up, pick that up, and put a 4x4 on this corner. And so anyway, I'm gonna start working on it, and it's starting to rain, so I got the jack out, and here we go. So much for the project. I need to do it, but as you can tell, there's no way I can get out there right now. There's the jack, just waiting. Nobody said this was going to be easy. Problem is, I need to jack it up and push it to the house. So I've got it jacked up underneath, blocked up underneath. I don't know if you can see that. Blocked up underneath. Now it's to the house. That gap is filled, but I'm holding it with this. So I have the brake on. I have this blocked up. I have to get underneath there and put some 4-inch screws into that. So that's next. Little different angle. Blocked up, blocked up, blocked up. So it's tight to the house. Now I got to get underneath there. And I have all my bases covered. I'm going to chalk these tires before I go underneath there. This side you could see it. This side was worse. I put that post in there, jacked it up, pushed it in tight, put that post in there, and I put some big screws to hold it. So it's all done. All in a day's work.